Cam, this guy's gonna try to get all that wood on a bike.
Surely not.
There is no way. There is no way he's getting them on that little bike. That thing is small.
I don't see how he's going to do it. And that one's warped. Look there on the opposite side.
Oh, it is? It's
yeah,
a little
warped.
like warped?
Mm-hmm.
No way.
No, because they sure won't fit in that basket.
He's got some work gloves. He's going for it. I mean, he's got the stuff. Oh.
I brought him some rope.
He's got a bunch of rope. Oh my gosh, Kim, there's no way.
He thinks he's going to tie it on the bicycle?
I guess.
There's no way he's going to be able to do that.
I don't know, Cam. You think he can actually do it?
Well, people surprise me.
I know, we've seen some weird stuff out here.
Looks like he's going to put it on him.
Oh, he's trying to do like a backpack technique?
Looks like he knows what he's doing.
I mean, yeah, he knows what he's doing. He's like got it all. Was that? He's tying like a knot.
Do you know what them knots are called?
A wiser knot?
Okay.
No, I just made that up.
Okay,
I don't know. What do you know? Do you know that?
I do not know.
I thought you were about to tell me. How
I was not in
some
Boy
notes
Scout.
go.
No, I was
Or
not.
knots. I mean, not notes.
No, I thought you really knew.
No, I have no clue. I don't know anything about any kind of knots. I mean, he's about to she's about to show us. All right, he's got it tight, Kim.
Yeah, it's reinforced.
Now, I don't know about you, but there's not a lot. I don't even think that van's 8 foot wide. What do you think?
No, the van isn't 8 foot wide.
But he's about to be 8 foot wide, right?
He's gonna be 8.
What is he?
No, he's gonna be 8 foot long.
He's gonna be 8 foot. Is he gonna be 8 foot long or 8 foot wide? Oh, he's putting them on the. Oh, he's gonna be 8 foot. This guy's like, there's no way.
8 foot long.
He's gonna be 8 foot long, not 8 foot wide.
But still, look at this guy in the van saying,
This guy's like, he's getting out his phone. I bet he's gonna video it. Definitely videoing. Look at this guy. He's
gonna come over and.
He's definitely getting a video of it. I wonder what he's saying.
Crack your window.
Okay. What'd he say?
I don't know.
He's just walking off. I guess he offered him for help, but this guy's like, no, I'm not gonna get any help. There's no way, Kim. Kim, there's no way. You don't want to laugh at him. He has a bike, and he's like,
see if he needs help, because I don't want to see him get hurt.
Should I ask him?
Yes, because I don't want to see him get hurt.
Hey, dude, you need any help or anything? Or are you good? All right. He says he's good, Kim.
Okay, well.
I mean, we offered.
Yes.
We offered.
He does need some help.
What does he need help for? I don't know. You go help him. I don't want to get out. You help him. You need help or what?
Yeah, maybe help me tie this around here.
Around your back?
Around the
2x4s?
Yeah. Here, go help him, Kim. This dude, there is no way.
I think if you tie it around this part.
Just legit. Alright, one thing you guys got to know about Kim, she is such a kind soul. She'll do anything for anybody. This dude's legit. Kim is just a trooper, just helping him. I mean, he's got it. How did it go?
Good. He's going to do his best.
I guess he's going to do his best. I mean, he's... Dear Lord, I mean, I'm worried about him, Kim.
I am too.
I hope he can... His tires, what's wrong with him?
They're flat. He's got flat tires. We gotta help him. Come on.